retrieving, playing fetch. They just get the ball and don't want to give it back. Come here, Obsidian. Here, come here. Come here. Daddy boy, come here. Good boy. Good boy. Hey, leave that alone. Silly dog. The ball rolled out and he was chasing it all the way down. So, here's the king corso. Say hi. Say hi to everybody. Tell them double tap the screen. For a 5 months old puppy, he sure is big. You're back. What's up, Noah? Welcome back. Just hanging out with my dogs in the backyard, letting them play around before we start getting ready for bed. Ziggy, leave him alone. Obsidian, come back. Come back, Obsidian. These guys are bullying him now, but in a couple of weeks from now, they will not be able to do that. He ran away. Obsidian ran away. Oh, he's coming back. Come here, Obsidian. Obsidian is just afraid of everybody now. He's just 5 months old. He's not so sure how to handle everything. Pretty soon he'll know how to bark back at them. Come here, Obsidian. Not you, Rocky. Rocky's feeling got hurt. Come on back, Rocky. You know we love you too. Hey, no. Nope. That's how fights start. Stop. Quit it. Hey, buddy. What's up? Obsidian's back. This guy is a Cocker Spaniel mixed with Cane Corso. And this guy is a Cane Corso, 100% Cane Corso. And he's an American bully. Pit Bull, German Shepherd mix, Pit Bull, English Bulldog, Nala Pit Bull, Pomsky, Pomeranian Husky, and that guy down there, I think he's a seal. Oh, it's a German Shepherd mixed with I don't know. You guys like Obsidian? This Cane Corso, the black puppy. Let me know if you guys like him. If you think he's cute, look where he's doing. He's sliding down. He's being silly. He gonna slide all the way down.